Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to find MacBook recovery key. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open your MacBook, and this is what you'll have in front of you. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find MacBook recovery key. So if you enable the file vault on your MacBook, you may have given a file vault recovery key. This key can help you regain of course access to the encrypted data if you forgot your account password. For this, you'll need to go to the settings. So the settings you can find on your screen as a gear icon, or you can click on F4 and type in settings to find it there. And it will of course move you to your settings immediately. Now, here you need to go to privacy and security. So scroll down here and you'll find privacy and security. I will not be clicking on here because of my privacy reasons, but when you click on privacy and security, you will have the file vault, which you need to select. If it is turned on, click the info button if available to see your recovery options. If your Mac is configured to use a recovery key, you may see an option to turn off and turn on the file vault to generate a new one. This varies by Mac OS version. And that's how you can actually go and do it. How you can actually go and save and do all of those things. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.